going to show you how to graph this thing, not necessarily graph it, but how to use your graphing calculator to show you how to evaluate these logarithms. Let me clear this out. Okay, so in the problem that you're looking at, it tells you to find f in the year 2011, and the number of years after 2000 is what x is. So x is 11 for 2011. So it wants you to plug in 11 into the linear equation that they represented with f. And that linear equation in the problem you sent me was 764 times x, but x is going to be 11 here, and then plus 6042. So when we plug that in, we get for the year 2011, the answer is 14,446. You seem to be okay with that, but when you get to part B, you have to plug in an exponential, and it's an e, which is the inverse of what we call a natural log. So they're here on the same key. You have ln for natural log, and e to the x is its inverse. So that's where you find how to put that in. So we got to find g when x is 11. So g at 11 in this problem was 6861. And then you have to get e, but since it's yellow, you have to hit second before you click that to get. And now we have e raised to the 0.077 times x, but x in this case we need to be 11. So close your parentheses out and hit enter. So when you plug 11 into the g function, you get an answer of 16,004. Okay, so that's part A is 14,446. Part B is 16,004 because they ask you to round to the whole number. Part C says which one of these two, the linear or the exponential model, which one of these two model it the best. And if you look at that graph in 2011, it was closer to 14,000 than it was 16,000. So that means that this linear equation, the first one that we did, models it best. So hopefully that helps you know how to plug that in on your calculator. If you have to find log base 10, which is called our common log of anything, then you can just click log of 56. That's log base 10. We call that a natural log. And if, a common log. And if you need to find the natural log of anything, that's ln. So we could have ln of 92. That's the natural log of 92, and enter to find that. Those are the other things on this graphing calculator that you'll use through this lesson. Just let me know if you have more specific questions, and I'll be glad to help you with those.